Hello everyone, welcome to Real Programmers. Today we're going to look on API using Node. So before we begin, let me explain what is API. API is application package interface where two software communicate with each other if they are in different domain or in the same domain. So let me create a project. Let's go to document, make their Node API. In here npm init, open in Visual Studio Code. I have this thing. Let's make index.js, and we need to install Express. That's done. Now Express, yes. I think I don't need this. Where app equals to Express. That's done. Now app.lesson lesson 28081. You can give any number you want. With this console.log, server is running. That's done. Let's check. Server is running. It's fine. Now we are going to have first API, which is .get API.get, and this will be home, and we pass this function with request. First is request, second is response, this callback function. Then we are going to response with status code 200. Then we also pass send data. Hello. Let's start the server again, and I'll go to the home. That will be 81. Hello. Okay, this is working. You can give here like blogs, and you can just pass the blogs in here. Let's make in a variable like blogs equal to, this will be JSON title first. Let's check what we have here. We'll copy this itself and paste here. We need to give commas. That's done. That as well. Okay. Name this first. Copy same thing. We'll give two more. That will make this second. Third. Then we are going to pass blogs here. Start the server again. Oops, there is nothing in here, so we need to go to blogs. Here you can see your first API. So you can pass data if you are referring this, you can call this, if you are hosting in your website, online website, you can fetch this in your any application you want by just referring to this. Or I can also show you one more thing. Search for public API for testing. Here you will get first link. Go inside. Let's take, okay, let's take this URL. We are getting this right. So how to process this data in your Node.js? I'll show you how to do it. App.get, then that will be, what is it called, board function request response. For handling this, we need to install one more package, which is request. That's all you need. And get in here const, sorry, request equal to require request. We have this request, so we can process request dot get. We can give like this, method equal to get URI equal to this URL. Then we'll give JSON to true. That's all in here. Next, we need the function. Let's see how many functions we have. Only request, call, callback. First one is error. We can have error. What? Hold on. First one is error, second is response, then the body. Okay. Then first one we have error, response, body. We open this. We'll check whether if there is no error and response dot body dot status is double equal to 200. If this condition is true, we'll send back this as JSON body. That's all. We'll open this. Oops, sorry, I need to start the server again. Is it not working? Okay, here I made a mistake. It should be response status code. Okay, we'll start the server again. Not this one. Yeah, you'll get this. If I keep on refresh, this will change because this is board API. It will continuously change in here as well. Yeah, this is how you can handle it. You can fetch the, if you have two different application, you can communicate through APIs. This is how you can do it. And there are so many methods in here in Express, App Express. If you go to this, as you can see, there are all get, post, put, delete. Uh, Mostly these four are well known because we mostly do get, post, put. Put is for update, and delete for delete the whatever data we are passing or the ID we are passing, like this. You can fetch this way. If you want to host your website, you have to check domain reserve. It provides so many features with cheapest price. You can get your domain with the starting price of 70 rupees. .in for 400, .com for 650, and .org for 990. And if you're looking for web hosting, there are four major features in here. Fast fast response because of SSD, free SSL certificate, cPanel to manage your site, SEO tool to optimize your search engine. And everything is stored in cloud and it's secured. There are few plans you can look. The starting plan, which is basic, starts at 60 rupees per month. You'll get one free, one host, website host, 1 GB of SSD, 3 email address, and 5 GB of bandwidth. If you're looking for personal, which is average, you can get for 100 rupees per month. You'll get unlimited SSD, unlimited email address, unlimited bandwidth, and it also have premium SEO tool. And if you have a business and you want to have a website, you can look for this plan, which gives 3 website, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited SSD, unlimited email address, same premium SEO tool to optimize your search. Then there is this advanced plan, which is 250 rupees, which gives free domain of 2, which is .in and .com, unlimited website. You can host your website, n number of websites, all pack, all features from silver pack, which business level. All the features from business level will be included in here, which is unlimited SSD, unlimited email address, unlimited bandwidth, and premium SEO tool. Please do check it out. And they have 24/7, 24/7 service support. That's all, and I'll see you in the next video.